What is up, my friends? Welcome back to the video. Me, Demon, Roblox, play Animal Husband. Yep, mine we're gonna do by myself. Wait, we could do it with this guy. We could do it with this guy, right? And can we start? Okay, we got these guys. I don't know if they have voice chat. I'm not gonna use it if they do though. Oh, they do have voice chat. Okay, but if they talk, I'm not gonna use it. As when I get scared, I really don't want to swear. Sometimes I swear on my mic by accident and oh no. Let me have the coffee. Thank you so much. Okay, you got the cup. Oh my god, hi. Wait, can I use the chat? I want to say hi instead of using my microphone. Let's check in the first patient. Okay, let's use my thing. I want to check it as a patient. Okay, the first one does not have anomalies, guys. No, shift one does not have the anomalies. Yeah, so shift one does not have the anomalies. I guess it's very rare for anomaly. We got the next one right. We got okay, we can treat the patient with herbs. They do the DNA sample. Okay. Is it okay? Okay. They need stomach ache. They need herbs. Yeah, I knew they need herbs. Okay, I got okay. This patient is. Oh wait, they already checked the patient in, guys. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can. There's no way you can enter there right now, buddy. Okay. We're gonna get the eye drops. What people need. Look at this guy. Wham. Okay. I'm not gonna jump on you and actually. Dried eyes of cursed eye drops, okay? Yeah, these people just like to play, okay? So the dog is arriving, the doctor. Okay, they're making. Okay, let's see. Oh my. I saw myself. Let's see. You must be the new hire. I'm Dr. Harlow. Hi, Dr. Harlow. I missed you as the old way, though, okay? Yeah, if things get stranger, just keep looking. I'll fix up the shutters and security cameras for you, okay? So, we can test out the shutters. Excellent for us, okay? Lucky for us. Maxwell's the best, and I want to see if we can find all the anomalies, guys. Can we find all the anomalies? Yeah, okay, I don't need the coffee. See, it could take the coffee. I have an appointment. Wait, let's wait. See, this is not a cursed photo at all, okay? This patient is normal, I think, right? Is it a visitor? Patient with black color. I'm not gonna throw him in the trash. Why does it lead me to the? Okay. I'm not gonna actually throw it. You also can take. Oh, there's another anomaly. They're twitching. Okay. Okay, someone just. Okay, I'll ask them to. Hey, are they normal? Oh my. Okay. I don't care. We cannot shoot them. Okay. No. No. You listen. Yeah, get out of here. There's no service for anomalies. I'll see them. Doesn't look suspicious. Wait a minute. Why is there something different on the camera? Hey, it's fine. Okay, I want to see what the photo is. They look completely normal. They look completely normal. We have one patient to check left. Oh, wait a minute. Review already? It's already review, chat. Being small has its advantages. I know, I saw you. I want to see the animal cooperation. It's a dangerous stop. Okay, let's check you in, Raphael. You're never normally Raphael. Raphael is just staring at me in the photo. Okay, we'll be in room 1. Okay, let's check doing the patients in. Okay, I remember you getting fainted, right? The one who fainted. Bro. Okay. Low sugar and bleeding. Okay. Oh, this guy doesn't have sugar and dried eyes. Oh, sugar and dried eyes. I really hope they don't leave me. Oh, he's taking a sample of Raphael. Well, maybe we can add him. Why not? Why not add you, okay, kid? Accept the friend request. Oh my God, stop it, Chris. I swear in my videos all the time. I need the coffee after I got jump scared by the hobo. My brother's also. Wait, I'm not by myself, okay? I get to scare the crap out of me if I'm by myself, guys. Especially the hidden ones. The hidden ones really suck. Their faces, like, scare me to death. There's no Stoker. Where? Good, the job is good. Okay, we got 81. Okay. We gotta fix this camera because anomalies can stare at us in this. Oh wait, it's an anomaly. Wait, what kind of anomaly are they? They're not normal. I want to see their photo though. Let's see their photo. Okay, no. We're not checking him in. But I know I can't just refuse you, but I can because you're an anomaly. Okay? This guy is just a normal dog. Gray dog. He's... What can we buy the bell? No, we can't. been room 8? My gosh. Isn't even well, I haven't checked the camp. Oh, did it? He didn't leave me. Another animal hospital today. Hi. Let's we're gonna need more coffee. Oh, run from encountering. Okay. My gosh, what the hell is my brother doing? Oh my God! Stop, Chris! Oh my gosh! Bro! No way! That is the one that scares the crap out of me! He has found a hidden one! He or she found a hidden one. Yo, how did you find a hidden one? There's a hidden. There's no more hidden ones. You found a hidden. Don't look up. Okay, it's fine. Let's not. Oh my God. Stop swearing! Okay, good. Green, blue, green, pink. Green, blue, green, pink. What is my bro even freaking doing? Four patients to treat. Those ones in there, I'm going to crash out. I just don't want to scare the bananas out of me. Okay, there's no bananas in here, so we won't scare the banana out of me. It's IV drops. Bro, if we all die just because of him, I'm going to crash out. I can handle the surgeries, man. Dehydration. Well, okay, that's just One patient left. I am probably gonna scare the bit. If it's in room. This room, okay. Hope knows. Bruises and dehydration, okay. Okay, bruises and dehydration. And we got the doctor. Got the patients might seem unstable. Make sure to use the photos and the cameras. They are. Okay, I'll use it wisely. This is all his fault. Oh my God. Oh no, let me get out. Okay. He just left. That is the end. Thank you guys.